Hey guys, so what's up guys? Before we get into today's video, we got a quick announcement for y'all.
Yeah, we got a sick giveaway going on. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out a little bit more. We'll have a little segment waiting for you.
How's your eyes doing?
My eyes?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean? Alright. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You need your sunglasses?
Hmm?
We won't be able to tell your reaction all the way.
What reaction?
With your sunglasses on.
What reaction?
The reaction.
I want to be able to see.
What do you mean? It's not even bright out here. Here. There you go.
Are you videoing me?
Yeah.
Oh no!
Hey guys, this is my mom here. We're about to go for a quick ride. She's gonna experience the Ecoboost to its fullest here in a second.
No! Yay! No!
So this will be fun.
But I can't see the road.
What's the fastest car you think you've ever been in?
I want to do 150 miles per hour.
No. What's the fastest car you've been in before? Not what you want to do, because we're definitly not doing 150 miles an hour. I'm not going to jail.
90 miles per hour.
90 miles an hour? That's the fastest you've been?
Yeah.
Wow. All your life?
Yeah. Well, airplane, maybe.
Well, nah. Well, we're definitely not getting flight speed.
But just don't get a ticket, okay?
Okay, no tickets.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna roll the windows up so that you don't.
I do not follow.
We don't get the window noise. The wind noise. I mean, you won't fall out the window.
Man, you can't go anywhere. You have to go somewhere well there's no traffic, and then we can do 150 miles per hour.
No. My mom's crazy. She wants to go 150. That's a little fast.
Well, Brian, you need to rewire my car too.
Rewire your car?
Yeah. Is it expensive?
You
to
drive
rewire?
a Mazda CX-5, right?
Huh?
Yeah. There's no rewiring that's gonna make that fast.
Why this one you're able to?
This one has a turbocharger on it, and it makes 29 pounds of boost. So that makes it a little faster. You ready?
Uh-huh. Keep going! Man, why are you stopping?
You said no tickets. So don't get any tickets. I'm trying not to get a ticket. Alright, let's see if anybody's here. Oh, look at that. Nobody's here. Perfect. Okay, you ready for part 2?
Yeah. But this is a small area. How can you go fast?
What do you mean? This is plenty of room.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, this is plenty of room.
Oh, my
to go
goodness.
fast.
I will be on the ditch if I do that. You're gonna break the car! Brian, the tires! Brian! Oh my gosh, it stopped right away?
Oh yeah, it's got great brakes, dude.
No way, you need to
turned on
do
my
this
windshield.
to my car.
Mom, you're gonna have to get a different car if you want to do this. All right, let's get out of here before somebody comes and we get a ticket.
But if it's just too fast, it will not hurt your tire?
No, that was some damage to the tire. There's a lot of rubber in the air back there. So, yeah, there's a lot of, yeah. That was a cop just now.
Oh, good thing we stopped, huh?
Yeah, good thing we left. So what do you think?
I need a Mustang.
Yeah?
That was 100 miles, 100.5 miles per hour. What is that? What is that?
That's the radio, Mom.
Oh.
That's the radio station.
Ah.
Oh, that's funny. My mom is a she was a nurse. She works in a lab right now, so she's pretty much a scientist, so that doesn't reflect her intelligence at all. She's very smart. How fast were we going? I can't say on camera.
Hey guys, thanks for sticking around to the end. We got a little surprise here for you.
Yeah, we got a little giveaway. So let me show you what you can win. We have 2 decals here. You got Super Garage, and then we got our little Build the Original slogan here. So we also got this cool little keychain, jet tag here, with Super Garage on the front, and then our little Build the Original slogan on the back.
Sweet.
Then, the best part, got this sick jacket, says Build the Original down the sleeve. You got our little symbol up here, and then flip it over to the back. Big old Supero.
Yes, sir. We like those.
We'll make it in your size, so it'll fit you the right way.
All right, guys, so here's how you enter to win this sick stuff behind us here. First of all, make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up on the video, and
Please.
tag a friend who might be interested in this content in the comment section below.
And it's really important that you leave a comment. It's probably the most crucial part of the whole thing. So tag your friends. The deadline to enter the giveaway is going to be a week from posting this video. So today is Tuesday, September 8th. On the 15th, we'll be picking the winner on Wednesday, September 16th. And we'll make that post on our Instagram. So follow us on Instagram to find out if you won. That's where you'll get to hear it first. And we'll reach out to you if you won, and we'll get your stuff to you.
Yeah.
You know what you got to do.
And good luck.
Cool. That was nice.
Yeah. So what are your final thoughts? What do you think of the car, like in general?
Fantastic. I want one.
My mom wants a Mustang now. All right. Well, thanks for riding.
I know we're not done yet.
We're going again. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more S550 boosted stuff, and yeah, subscribe so you don't miss out, and we'll catch you around next time. Say bye to
Oh my goodness, I'm on video.
Yep.
Are you really going to use this? Or are we live?
No, yeah, we're using it. Catch you guys next time. Bye.